The Photos app on your iPhone can straighten out photos that are crooked and help you get a nice, level horizon. First, we'll go to the Photos app and pick the photo that needs to be fixed. This one here is pretty good, but the horizon is ever so slightly crooked, which kind of ruins it. I'm going to first tap that little adjuster slider looking button on the bottom. And then, from the options that open up, we're going to choose Crop. Cropping is obviously for reframing your photo like this, so you can do that here as well if needed. I'm happy with my composition though, so I'm not going to do any cropping. For fixing the horizon, we can use this little slider on the bottom. It allows you to make really precise, small adjustments, and when you're holding and moving the slider, you'll see a little grid appear over your photo, helping you line up the horizon perfectly. Just move the slider until your photo looks better, and that's basically it. The other two controls next to the rotation tool allow you to stretch your image from the top, bottom, or sides. These can sometimes be helpful if you captured your subject from an angle and ended up with a distorted perspective. A careful distortion here in the opposite way can help you revert the distortion and make your photo look more natural. Anyways, that's how you straighten out photos. Just tap Done when you're finished and you're all set. Click that like button if this helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more easy iPhone guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next video.